English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Unfortunately, hold, entrance. Unfortunately. Unfortunately is an adverb. A2 learners usually know unfortunately. We use unfortunately to say that we wish something was not true or had not happened. Here are some examples. I can't come, unfortunately. I have to go to work. He lost his keys, unfortunately, so he had to call for help. Unfortunately, she isn't well, and so we won't be seeing her. Hold. Hold is a verb. A2 learners usually know hold. Hold has many meanings. At A2, hold means to have something in your hand or arms. Here are some examples. You hold the bag and I'll carry the books. In the picture, she is holding a puppy. He proudly held the new baby in his arms. Entrance. Entrance is a noun. A2 learners usually know entrance. At A2, an entrance is a door or a gate through which you can enter a building or another place. Here are some examples. The entrance is on the ground floor. Let's meet at the front entrance to the building. One entrance is at the front and there's another at the back. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with unfortunately, hold and entrance. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR A2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.